is the last video of this chapter, and I will explain the pure and impure methods in Java. So let me share the screen, and after that write me the definitions of pure and impure methods. So what are the definitions of pure method? There are some conditions, some certain conditions, and pure method. What are pure methods? Basically, a method is considered pure. Listen very carefully. A method is considered pure if, what if, first one is it does not change the original state of an object. Okay. Next one is it always return the same value when the same arguments are given. So what I have written, can you just go through with that point? Anybody? Anybody can go through? That means can read it.
Yes.
Yes, read what I have written.
A method is considered pure if it does not change the original state of an object.
Okay.
Second point, it always returns the same value when the same arguments are given.
Okay, if the same argument are passed, that means if if you passing the same argument to the method, then what happened? You are calling many times that particular method, but the output, the return value will not be changed. Okay. So let me write a program, and after that you people can understand. So one more point should be here. That point is a pure method can have that means generally have the return value. Generally let me write, then you can understand. Generally only a pure method have return return keyword. Return is also a keyword. You know this thing? Do you know? Do you know? Respond me. Return is a keyword or not? Why you shut your mouth? Return is a keyword or not?
Keyword.
Okay. So generally a pure method has return keyword. That means it returns value generally in pure method. So let me write a program. After that you people can understand it better. Suppose I have a method that are, when I will say it is a pure method, let me write the condition. Suppose I have a variable int a and it is having the value 2. Okay, and I am just making the object of that class. That means Pramod Kumar would is equal to new Pramod Kumar. And why I am making the object? Because I want to call that particular method. So you know that you know that for calling a non-static method, we need to have an object because it will be called by the object. So if I write here system.out.println, let me write the values. Value of argument before calling the pure method are value of argument before, let me write, then I will explain. Before calling the pure method. Which are pure method? Add. Add will be have as a pure method. If certain conditions will be satisfied, I will show you how, to which certain condition I am talking. I will explain, don't worry. So basically what I have written in theory part, I have written it does not change the original state of an object. It always returns the same value when the same argument are given. Generally, a pure method has a return keyword. That means the pure method will always, generally it will return a value. So that means I have to write here the return keyword, RETURN, return. And suppose I'm doing some work with that argument. Let me write here int b, and I'm doing some mathematical expression like b equal to b multiply 10, and after that I will return b. Can you understand what I am saying? This b is coming by this add method, and b is, when b received here, it will be multiplied by 10, and again it goes to b, and this return, this b will be returned. So after that, what I will do? What I will do? I will call the that means add method. So obj.add, and you know that it is having a integer type. This method is having a integer type data, that is b. So we need to also pass a integer type data, and we know that a is a variable of integer type that are having the value 2. So if I write here a, that means this 2 will be passed to this method, and b will contain 2. Then it will come to here, 2 multiply 10. B goes to here, that means right now the b contain 20, and b print, that means 20 return to b. So if it is returning, I already explained, we need to have another variable of integer type for holding that value. So which value it will hold? This 20 value. This c will contain 20. Can you understand? Can you understand what I'm saying? Can you understand?
Yes.
Okay, system.out.println, return value from the pure method. Return value from the pure method. What is the value of return? C. Okay. So after that, we are going to print here SYST. I'm sorry, this is spelling is wrong. SYSTEN, system. System.out.println. What I will write? Value of argument after calling the pure method, and I will print here a. Let me explain line by line. Do not worry. I think first one thing I suggest to you, everyone will turn on your camera so that I can look your face. You are focusing the class or not. Turn on the camera, everyone, just immediate in 1 minute. Everyone will turn on your camera. Then I will explain, otherwise I will not explain. Shreya Dubey, Saurav Yadav, Sanya Jaiswal, Nidhi Pandey. Everyone do it fast. Immediate. How I can see to you that what you are doing? Are you are focusing this class or not? If I can see your faces, then I can understand what you are doing. Arpita, are you special? Arpita. Sivakant Maurya again. Gulsita. Sivakant Maurya. Yes, good. Who is this? Okay. So students, just see the what's the classes. Let me explain one by one, and I am very that means how this is working. Let just see here. Int a equal to 2. So I have declared a variable of integer type. Just watch here. Do not look here or there. I have declared a variable int a, and this is having Saurav Yadav. This is having value 2. So this a is containing 2. Next one, I made a object. You know that Shreya Dubey, Saurav Yadav. Turn on your camera, everyone. Okay. So Pramod Kumar, I made a object. You know that how you can make the object. You can make the object. How you can make? First you write the class name, then space, then any variable you can write here, then equal to, then new, then space, then class name, then there is a bracket, then delimiter. This is the way of making the object. Then I made the object. Next one, system.out.println value of arguments before calling the pure method. So you know that if anything is written inside the double quotes, then that will behave as a string. So that will print same. That means this, you can see this is an output value of the argument before calling the pure method. Then you have plus a. Plus means this variable will be added to this string. So this 2 will be added. That means in which form you get the output, you will get value of argument before calling the pure method. There will be colon, then after that will be 2 will be printed. Next one, you called this add method. So you know that when you call, then directly your compiler, your Java compiler will come to this calling method, and here a will be passed. You know that a is containing 2, so 2 will be passed to this method, and b contain right now 2. How many? Which value contain b? 2. So 2 come to here, and b contains 2. You know, so 2 multiply 10. So 20 will be here. So 20 goes to this b, and return b. So this if this method is returning anything, then we need to have to store that return value. So that's why when I was calling that method, then I declared a variable c which are holding the returning value. So this b is returning, then 20 will be holded by this c. 20 will be holded by this c. Then next one I have written system.out.print return value from the pure method. So which value will be returned? 20. So what is the output? Return value from the pure method. Then after that colon there will be 20. Next one, system.out.println value of argument after calling the pure method, that again will be 2. So by this, before calling you are getting 2, after calling you are getting 2. So I think this definition is proved right now. What definition is saying? Is saying it does not change the original state, the object is not changing their state, and it always return the same value when the same argument are given. So this will not be depend upon how many times you are calling. Every time it will give the same result, like this one. This variable before calling, this one 2, After calling, you will get 2. So is there any problem, or that means there is any dependency on calling? So the value of actual parameter remains same before and after invoking the method. So listen very carefully. The value of actual, actual parameter, which is actual parameter? This one is called actual parameter and this one is called formal parameter. I already explained to you. This one is actual parameter and this one is formal parameter. So the value of actual parameter always remains same before and after the calling method. So the value is passed to the method. That means pure method. This method will behave as a pure method. This add method. Pure method where it is processed. During the course of action, the value of actual argument, that means the actual argument does not change even if there is a change in the value of the formal parameter. You can see here, this formal parameter value is changing. How is it changing? It becomes 20 right now. You are passing 2. You are passing here. You are passing 2. But after doing some mathematical expression, it becomes 20. But here is not any change. Sorry. Here will be 20. Here will not be any change. It is 2 and it will give again 2. So value of actual parameter will remain same before calling and after calling, so that we can say that this method behave as a pure method. Let me call it and show to you. Incompatible type unexpected return value. There is one error. So what is the error? Just watch here. Again, uncompatible type, unexpected return value. What is the returning? If you just see here, if I do int L and retu are in return L. Let me do this. What is the problem? Can anybody tell? Unexpected return value. Okay, I found where I am doing mistake. Can anybody tell? If anybody tells, then I can understand their understanding. I can think. But I need answer in 20 seconds. Anybody tell where I am doing mistake? This is not a mistake. Otherwise you people think this is mistake. This is not a mistake. Okay. Can anybody tell where I am doing mistake? Immediate, if you know, then tell me immediate in 20 seconds. Otherwise you say I don't know. Just raise your hand, I don't know. Say yo, I don't know. You say, why you are just, it's not good. The students, it's not good. This behavior is not good. If you are not knowing, just say, I don't know.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Okay. So this is very easy. I explained many times to you that this method is returning and you are written here a void. You are written here a void. So there should be int because you are returning a integer type value. So that's why here will not be void. Void means this method is not returning anything. Let me run it again, compile it again. You can see class compiled, no syntax error. Let me, everyone hide your, Mansi, are you just watching what mistake was there? Mansi, Nidhi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you should give the answer because that was very easy. I explained it many times. Okay, so this is compiled and let me show you the output. See this output. Why this is not? Okay. Okay. The answer is value of argument before calling the pure method to return value from the pure method 20, I was giving the same answer. I was telling the same answer. Value of argument after calling the pure method is 2. So that means this argument, listen, everyone show your faces. Again, you hide it. Sivakan Maurya, Gulsita, Dibya. Okay, so Gulsita, are you listening? Are you bothering? Are you bothered? Okay, so students, you can see here, you can watch here. This that means actual. Listen this point. You can write in your copy. Actual parameter value is not changing before calling the method, and after calling the method. Even the actual parameter is changing. You can see here. It is that means it is changed by this mathematical functions, mathematical expression, but it is not changing. You can see here is also 2 and here is also 2. You called here, so before calling it is 2 and after calling it is 2. Before calling it is 2, after calling it is 2. That means this value is not changing right now. So what can I say? This method is behave as a pure method or not? My conditions are satisfied or not? What are the conditions? The conditions are, it does not change the original state of an object. It always returns the same value when the same argument are given. That means if the arguments are same, the return values are same. And next one is, it does not change the original. This is the main thing. It does not change the original state of an object. That means it is not changing the actual argument. Actual argument is, what is the actual argument? 2. 2 is not changing before calling, after calling. Am I right? Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
2 is changing. 2 is changing. That means value of A is changing.
No.
No. You can see here 2 is passed by this method, and here this formal argument received 2, and 2 is further processing. 2 is further processed, but after processing this is remains same. It remains 2. It remains 2. It is not changing. That's why this method behaves as a pure method. Is it clear? If you will say that your concept is clear, then I will bind this class. Otherwise, I will stay here with you. If you say that your concept is clear, then I will bind. Otherwise, I will stay here. One by one. First, Shreya Dubey. Where you are facing? Shreya Dubey. And those names I will take.
Yes, sir.
You will respond immediate. Those names I will take. You will respond immediate. Shreya Dubey, do you have any problem?
Yes, sir. No.
You can ask. If you hide your problem, then you can make your image in front of your friend. But in future, I'm not talking about you, I'm talking about everyone. If you hide your, that means the things, then in future you will face a problem. You can say with your friend that I understood, but this will create a problem. So frankly, you will say. If you have faced problem, then frankly you can say. So Shreya Dubey, you do not have any problem, I think? No?
No problem.
Are you understanding?
Yes.
Okay, you should just watch this one first. What is the rule is written, and then after that you should watch this code. Next one, Mansi. Mansi, you have any problem?
No, no problem.
No. Saurabh Yadav?
No, sir.
Exactly.
Yes.
Okay, next, Tanya Jaiswal. Where you have
No,
problem?
sir.
Everyone is saying no. That means there are some problems. Sanya, really? Are you saying
Yes. Yes, sir.
you don't have any problem?
I will read, sir, again and again. Then when I feel any problem, then I tell to you.
Acha, you watch the videos again and again.
Yes.
Okay, then I think there will not any problem. Divya Chaudhary, first you show your faces. Divya Chaudhary, Nidhi Pandey and Gulsita. Show your faces immediate. Divya Chaudhary, Nidhi Pandey and Gulsita. Any problem, Divya? Divya, any problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
If you face problem, then watch video again. Nidhi Pandey. Nidhi Pandey. Any problem? Nidhi Pandey, I'm asking to you. Why you are laughing? You are not giving response. Nidhi Pandey and Gulsita. If you do not give the response, then you can quit. Gulsita.
Sir, no
Gulsita.
problem.
I think your name is Gulishta or Gusta? Gulisita. I think. Gulsita. Okay. I'm sorry, I was wrong. So Gulista, you do have any problem?
No, sir.
So my suggestion to everyone, you must watch the videos which I upload on YouTube again and again. After that, you start to do practical. Okay, students. My best wishes is always with you. Thank you everyone for coming with me. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.